Umama kaKim White obeneminyaka engu-32 kusenzima namanje ukwemukela ukushona kwendodakazi yakhe ezandleni zomsolwa okungumyeni wayo.
All my kids, if they call me, I must be there, you know. And what was did she call for mommy? I'm sure she did.
Uthi indodakazi yakhe ibingumuntu othembekile futhi onothando.
Kim was very loyal. Kim was very, to her friends, very loyal. And she went that extra mile for them, for all of them. And she was very bubbly. And she was true, you know, she was true to herself.
White ubulawe ngumyeni wakhe ongokudabuka eMelika, kanti naye ubesehlala naye umyeni wakhe eMelika. Umfowabo uJason uthi bezingekho izinsolo zokuthi kunenkinga emshadweni wabo.
You could say from someone looking from the outside looking in, they were happy. He was calm, he was soft. You wouldn't have thought he would hurt a fly even. And just to know that this happened, it puts me in disbelief.
Umama kaWhite uthi ubehleze baseka benomyeni wakhe. Umndeni wakhe usazama amalungiselelo okubuyisa isidumbu sakhe kulelizwe.